Giles Montessori and School. Unit 8, Blue, poem, by Brené Haycock. Included in this video are 1. Questions and answers from the poem. From Textbook of English Grade 10, National Book Foundation for Federal Board Islamabad 2025 onwards. Answer of the questions from while reading section. Question 1. What details stand out to you in the opening lines of the poem? Answer. In the opening lines of the poem, the important details are about the birth of the poet's daughter. She is described as pink, soft, and healthy, with all her toes. She has her father's eyes and her mother's nose. She cries for a short time but then calms down. These details show how precious and perfect she seemed to her parents when she was born. Question 2. How does the tone of the poem change when the doctor delivers news about the child? Answer. At first, the tone of the poem is happy and full of love because the parents are excited about their new baby. But when the doctor tells them that the child is blind, the tone changes to sadness and worry. The father feels heartbroken and even becomes angry because this was not what he had expected. The mood becomes more serious and emotional after the bad news. Question 3. What emotions do you think the narrator experiences, and how are they conveyed in the poem? Answer. The narrator feels many emotions in the poem. At first, he feels joy and love when his daughter is born. Then he feels sadness, anger, and disappointment when he learns she is blind. Later, he feels hope and determination as he teaches her about life. When she asks about Blue, he feels helpless because he cannot explain it. In the end, he feels happiness, pride, and deep love when his daughter sees for the first time and understands that Blue means love. These emotions are shown through the way he talks about his feelings and actions in the poem. Question 4. What significance does the color blue seem to hold for the narrator and the child? Answer. For the narrator and the child, the color blue is very special. It is not just a color to see, it means love, care, and strong feelings. Even when the girl could not see with her eyes, she understood blue with her heart because of the love from her father. Later, when she could see, she connected blue to the love she always felt. For them, blue is a symbol of their deep love and bond. Answer of the questions from reading and critical thinking section. Question 1. Comments on the initial challenge the narrator faced after the birth of the child? Answer. The initial challenge the narrator faced was finding out that his daughter was born blind. At first, he felt very sad and angry because it was not what he had dreamed of as a father. He struggled with accepting the fact that his little girl would not be able to see the world. Question 2. How did the narrator attempt to overcome the challenges posed by the child being blind? Answer. The narrator tried to overcome the challenges by deciding to be his daughter's eyes in life. He made it his mission to guide her and help her experience the world through his words, love, and support. He spent every day teaching her everything he could, so she would not feel left out. Even though she could not see, he helped her understand the world in her own way, especially with her heart and imagination. Question 3. Discuss how the event marked a positive turning point in the narrator's and the child's lives. Answer. The positive turning point came when the doctor said that there was a way to help the girl see. This news brought hope and happiness to both the narrator and his daughter. When she finally opened her eyes and could see, it was a very special and emotional moment. It changed their lives because now she could experience the world with her own eyes, and they both felt joy and excitement for the future. Question 4. How did the narrator use the color blue to symbolize something meaningful to the child? Answer. The narrator used the color blue to show something very special to his daughter. He told her to look at his eyes, which were blue, and explained that they had always watched over her with love. For the daughter, blue became a symbol of love, care, and deep feelings, not just a color. It meant much more to her because it was connected to her father's love. Question 5. In what way did the child's perception of the color blue change over time? Answer. At first, the child could not understand what blue was because she had never seen it. But over time, she imagined it in her mind. After she gained her sight, she saw blue with her eyes. But for her, blue was not just a color, it was a feeling of love and warmth that she had always felt inside her heart. Question 6. Elaborate the rhyme scheme of the given poem. Answer. The rhyme scheme of the poem is simple and regular. In most parts, the second line rhymes with the first line, making it easy to read and sound musical. For example, toast rhymes with nose, and down rhymes with brown. This pattern continues through the poem, giving it a smooth and flowing feeling that matches the emotions shared by the narrator. Question 7. Locate phrases in the poem. Answer. Angel of my life shows how precious and special the daughter is to the narrator. Born blind tells us about the daughter's condition from birth. Heart of sight means the narrator wanted to guide her with love since she could not see. Eyes of new describes the daughter's fresh vision after the surgery. Eyes of her heart shows that even without physical sight, she could understand and feel things deeply. Love was the color blue shows how the daughter gave a deeper meaning to the color blue, connecting it with love. Short summary of poem Blue in English. The poem is about a father's journey with his daughter who was born blind. At first, he felt very sad and angry because it was not what he had imagined as a father. But instead of giving up, he decided to be her eyes and teach her everything about the world. As she grew up, she wanted to understand things that people could see, like the color blue. He tried to explain it, but he couldn't because she had never seen colors. Still, she used her imagination to create her own idea of blue in her mind. When she turned 16, they got good news from a doctor that her sight could be restored. After the surgery, when she first opened her eyes, she wanted to see the color blue. The father lovingly told her to look into his blue eyes. She smiled and said she already knew what blue meant. For her, blue was not just a color but a feeling of love and care that she had always felt from her father. In the end, the poem shows that true understanding comes from the heart, not just from what we can see. नज़्म ब्लू का खुलासा। ये नज़्म एक बाप के सफर के बारे में है जो अपनी बेटी के साथ जीता है जो नबीना पैदा हुई थी। शुरू में वो बहुत गमगीन और नाराज हुआ क्योंकि ये वो नहीं था जो उसने एक बाप के तौर पर सोचा था। लेकिन हार मानने के बजाय उसने फैसला किया कि वो उसकी आंखें बनाएगा और उस दुनिया के बारे में सब कुछ सिखाएगा। जैसे जैसे वो बड़ी हुई, उसने उन चीजों को समझने की ख्वाहिश जाहिर की जो लोग देख सकते हैं, जैसे रंग नीला। उसके वालिद ने यूं समझाने की कोशिश की, लेकिन वो नहीं समझा से क्योंकि उसने कभी रंग देखे ही नहीं दी। फिर भी उसने अपनी तख़य्युल से नीले रंग का तस्वुर अपने ज़हन में बना लिया। जब वो 16 साल की हुई, तो उन्हें एक डॉक्टर से खुशखबरी मिली कि उसकी बीनाई वापस आ सकती है। ऑपरेशन के बाद जब उसने पहली बार अपनी आंखें खोलें, तो उसने नीला रंग देखने की ख्वाहिश की। वालिद ने मोहब्बत से कहा कि वो उसकी नीली आंखों को देखे। उसने मुस्कुराकर कहा कि वो पहले ही जानती थी कि नीला क्या होता है। उसके लिए नीला सिर्फ एक रंग नहीं था बल्कि मोहब्बत और ख्याल रखने का वो एहसास था जो यूज हमेशा अपने वालिद से मिला। आखिर में नज़्म ये बताती है कि असल समझ दिल से आती है, सिर्फ देखने से नहीं।